Hello and welcome to Accent on Cars. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to replace side marker bulb on W211 Mercedes using my W211 AMG specifically for this purpose. Because I'm tired of these halogen lights, going out all the time. Now they go out because, water and moisture gets to them and they just burn out. I've owned this car for like 4 or 5 years, and in that time duration I probably replaced that bulb like 5 times. It's annoying. This happened again recently and I was about to replace the bulb. I was looking for an upgrade actually. I was contemplating the idea of putting an LED. Believe it or not, as if they knew, a vendor reached out to me and said that they had LED bulbs for my car. I guess my channel is at the point when vendors actually have started noticing my channel and reaching out offering their product. That's great. Thanks so much for all the likes. By the way, if you find this video useful, please leave a like button. That helps a lot. So the product I got is from this brand, Auxito. When they reached out to me, obviously the first thing I did is I went to their website, I looked around. It seemed to be like a legit website with a great quality lights and product information, reviews are good. I installed this bulb for the side markers. I used them for like a month at least to confirm that they work in the long term and they do not kind of like blink or anything. And the product has been error and trouble free. Every product is backed up with 2-year trouble-free warranty. If you are looking for any LED products for any car, check out their website using the link down below. You will get 15% off your purchase. Installation is very simple actually. Like, to make my life easier, I've taken my wheel off, but you don't really have to. You can turn your steering wheel all the way to the left or right, depending on which side you are working on. And then there is one kind of like push pin over here that you'll have to remove. There is a 10mm plastic bolt, this one, that is in here. So you remove that. There's also one push pin, hopefully you can see it from here, like holds it from under. So you remove those 3 and then you should be able to pull this back just enough to get access to the wiring. Now the wiring is over here. This is the wiring. Should have like enough access to it. It plugs right into over there, right into the side mark. You turn it counterclockwise, pull the wire out, and then pull the light out. Light goes in here. Now LED bulb will also slide into this connector. I checked this out, guys. LED bulb is in place, light up in orange color as it's supposed to be, and it's pretty bright. So it just like slides into here, just like a regular bulb, and it works perfect. It's super bright, and I'm so glad that I finally will not have to deal with warning message, side marker warning message. Yeah, super great. And since this is LED, it's hopefully it will be more resistant to water and moisture, and my bulb will serve for longer. Now there is not much left to do. Now we have to put the bulb into its place just like this and turn it clockwise. Check this out, guys. The lights are in. They work super great. They're much brighter than the standard halogen bulb from Mercedes itself. Not only is it brighter, but it also runs cooler because of the low energy consumption of LED. That's it for today's video. Again, check the link down below to purchase your product and to get 15% off. Thank you so much for watching and consider subscribing. See you in the future episodes.